So you've got these beautiful high ceilings with highlight windows. This house is perfectly set up for the family. And best part is, it's all on the one level.
Entertaining in this home is an absolute breeze. You've got your kitchen and your living all visible because it's all on one level, and you can even see out into the yard.
The property is perfectly located in a quiet cul-de-sac. So the kids could play inside, out in the street, or you could even take them up to the local cafe. And I also want to show you the lifestyle with the fantastic waterways of the Port Hacking.
Is this the one you've been waiting for?